Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Worth LED pen light. I can't wait to show you the features of this product. What's super cool about this is there are two light options, the high power flood or a spotlight. So with this light pen, it's easy to toggle between the spotlight and the UV light with just one button. And as we can see, we have the LED light pen, the manual, and this has a rechargeable battery. So of course it comes with the cables to charge up the battery. So here on the pen, we have the button here on the top that controls where the light is coming from. So we have just the spotlight for smaller stuff, and then it'll switch to the floodlight, which will shine us a lot more light. It's nice, small, lightweight. If you're one who has overalls or pockets here, it'll fit nicely there. I could even just stick it on my shirt just like that. So therefore it's just easily accessible. Also, it has a magnet on the back, so you can stick it on the fridge or anywhere that's magnetic. That's just easy to access. The pen light has a lot of great uses, but one that particularly comes to mind is like for emergencies. When the power goes out, I can put it right on the fridge so I know exactly where it's at. And then if the power goes out, boom, I can just grab it, use spotlight mode so I can see what I'm doing here. And that's absolutely perfect for using for the panel. Or I can use the wide mode to see even more. So maybe on my way back to the front door. And I got this at worthtool.com, the best place for high professional quality tools. Treat yourself and get the tools you deserve.